Hi folks, today we are in Scarborough on the beach. We're just outside here. We've only got on the beach. Sasha is quite excited. Bella did have a coat on. I'll just show it you. She's gone and took it off, hasn't she? Look, she's took it off on the way here. That was her coat. She decided she don't want to wear that. Sasha's been yelping all the way here because she just loves the beach. So we're going to have a bit of a walk on the beach. And it's raining. There's little Di, she's come out for a walk. Rain, cold. Scarborough. It's outside there. It's just starting to pay it now. In fact, it is. So we'll let her off. Stay there, Sash. Stay there. You want to run? Right, wait there. Wait there. Wait there. Good girl. Wait. Go on. She just loves it. There's little Bella. Yeah, she's looking for a ball. Go on, Sash. Go on. Wow, it is cold and windy. We'll get her ball out. You hold that. Thank you. Hello, Di. What do you reckon to the weather? Wow, we're crazy. We're coming down to the caravan. Now we're...
Sasha, you're not running after it to your leg.
Sasha's poorly, but she still remembers her days of being young and having a ball. Off she goes. Bella's just crackers. Look at that for weather. It's not so great today at all. Not so great at all, is it? There's your Scarborough. And it's pinning it down, but Sasha's been whinging ever since we got here to come out in this on this beach. So tomorrow night, that's the spa over there. Right, I'll get it there. She's limping, yeah. She's limping quite a bit, Sasha. She won't have it that she can't come on the beach. So, we will try her for a little bit longer. That's what she does, have a good lay down. You alright, Belle? The spa we're going to tomorrow night. What's Pink Floyd? I think we're going to have to give Sasha back to the car because she really is struggling now. you want to go back, Sash? Do you want to go back? It's peeing it down and it's horrible. We don't like this. Look at that sea. Twisted it right round. Still getting used to this camera. Twisted it right round. Don't know how it did that. There's the seat. There's the pier. Well, there isn't a pier. It's a lighthouse. It really is slinging it down now. The Scarborough Castle, right up there. Oh, it's slinging it down. So we're going to call that a wrap. All right, Sash. She's starting to limp a bit now, so we're going to go back. And it is slinging it down. I'm soaking. Oh, it's horrible. There's the lighthouse and that over there. Scarborough Castle up there. And look at that rain. My God, soaking. Pick your boat up, Sash. Come on. My God. Oh. I don't know if you can see me, but I am soaking wet. We're going to give this a break now. We are crazy coming out in this. It's all because Sasha wanted to walk. There's Di looking for Bella now. We have to find Bella. Where? Bella! She's gone. Come on, come here. Bella! Bella! She's up there. She don't like the rain. Oh, we give that up as a bad job. That were a rush job to get up at beach. We're back at van now. That was terrible. We really did get wet, soaked to the skin. Best get changed, and that's about a wrap for this, I think. Is that what they call it, a wrap? Little Bella ran back to the car. We had to catch her on pavement. She wasn't having it on the rain. She ran back off at the beach and ran back to the car. But here we are, we're all safe and well, and it's just about stopped raining now. But these trousers are clinging to me. I'm that wet. Alright, subscribe and all the rest of it. Leave some comments. Thank you, bye.